Well, hello there, and good evening, everybody. Merry Christmas to all of you out there on YouTube country or land. I'm William Brantley, live from Bemis, Tennessee, ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days momentarily. Oh, almost forgot. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope you had a great one, too. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and go on with the climate data and show you here in a minute where it did snow on Christmas Day, though it didn't do it here in West Tennessee. As of 7 p.m., I apologize for running a little late here. As of 7 p.m., the skies were clear here in the Bemis, Tennessee area. The temperature was 45 degrees. The dew point was 40 degrees. The humidity was 83%. The wind was calm, and the barometric pressure was 30.29 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature was 35 degrees. Today's high was 59 degrees. And I had 10 hundredths of an inch of rainfall earlier this morning here in the Bemis area. Today's highest wind gust was 17 miles per hour out of the southeast at 1:37 a.m. Today's records for Christmas Day, December 25th, hottest high would be 73 degrees, and 2016, just 2 years ago, had 73 degrees for a high. Amazing. Coldest high would be 14 degrees in 1983. The warmest low would be 55 degrees in 1982. And the coldest low would be -2 below zero, in 1983. Alright, the rainfall record for today was a wet one, 3.66 inches of rain in 1987. And remember, yesterday in 1987, we had 4.12 inches of rain. So 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8 inches of rain in a 2-day period on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day of 1987. It was a wet year that year, wasn't it? Alright, snowfall record for today would be a trace of snow on Christmas Day in 2012. Alrighty, I think that's it for the basic climate data for this evening. Let me show you where it did snow today in the United States on Christmas Day, and most places didn't snow. Most of the country had some light snow in spots, but not here in the southeast, especially here in Tennessee. Alright. Looks like, of course, it's clear here in West Tennessee. No precipitation, of course. It snowed out here, Colorado, and out the western part of the country. Colorado, Utah, Idaho, Wyoming, Montana, and North and South Dakota. It would snow a little bit today, and spots in the Great Lakes area. And that's really it. The only place in the country where it snowed. It rained, of course, in Kansas and other parts of the country, and it's trying to start raining in Oklahoma and Arkansas, and looked like a little piece down Louisiana and Mississippi as well. Otherwise, precipitation free for the U.S. Other than that, other than those few spots of snow today. All right, let me look at the satellite picture real quick. Cloud cover. It's clear now, of course, and it probably will be till at least sunrise tomorrow morning. There are some clouds out to the west of us, as you see here. It's slowly going to work their way in our direction. Some down in Texas as well. It's moving along the Gulf Coast, and there's a few up over here in the northeast part of the country. They're moving on out, and some up north, the northern portions of the country, where some of that snow was taking place, and rain in parts of the plain states there. Otherwise, it's good and clear here in Tennessee. Alright, what's next? Surface map features. Let me click on this one to make it a little bit bigger. Today's map, or this evening's map, as of early this morning. Let me see to get this a little bit better. I don't wait. Let me see. That is today's, okay. This is the way the map looked like this morning, Christmas Day morning. Okay, I'll let you kind of take a glance at it as I scan across the area. There's the snow that you just saw moments ago on the radar, on the dotted line on the Weather Service's maps. Alright, had a good day in that regard. Let's look at tomorrow morning's forecast map. And it looks like a few changes, but not a whole lot of them. The severe weather threat for thunderstorms down in Texas, flooding possible in Texas and Oklahoma, and some snow possible over in the Plain States from about Colorado up to the northern Plain States, Minnesota, North Dakota area, and a little bit out west, of course. And that's again for tomorrow morning's forecast map, the way it should look like. All right, let's move on to Thursday's forecast map. It broadens a little bit. The severe weather threat is to our south down in Texas and Louisiana. Flooding is possible from about New Orleans up to western North Carolina and most of Alabama and a good chunk of Mississippi. But that's south of us, though. We're going to get some rain on Thursday, but probably not severe weather. That's going to take place to the south of us. Pretty good area of snow up in the northern Plain States from Nebraska on up to Lake Superior. A little bit up into Canada there. And you can see where the other areas is. And frozen precipitation, freezing rain is possible up there in the New England states, up around New York and Pennsylvania, parts of that country and all. There's snow, of course, out in the mountains of the western part of the country. And that's really about it, looks like. Okay, that's again for Thursday morning's weather map. All right. Beyond that, let's look at the forecast. Detailed forecast. Let me turn the camera around so that I can read it to you. And then it'll be it for tonight. Thank you for viewing in for Christmas night. I'm running a little late, but better late than never, I guess. Like I said, fair skies tonight here in West Tennessee, the Jackson area, on until about sunrise tomorrow morning. And then it should become cloudy by then, after sunrise or near sunrise. The high tomorrow should be about 35 degrees. Low tomorrow, weather. I hope the high is not only 35 degrees. Boy, that'd be chilly. Low will be about 35 degrees. Tomorrow's high about 58 degrees, almost 60. No rain's expected tomorrow with east winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. The moon, by the way, sets at 9:40 a.m. tomorrow morning. The sun will be rising tomorrow morning at 7:03 and set at 4:48 p.m. Moon will be rising tomorrow night at 9:33 p.m. and set at 10:25 a.m. Thursday morning. And on Thursday, mostly cloudy skies, as we've been mentioning, with a good 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Most of the heaviest rain to be to our south, though, south of Jackson. Low near 50, high near 62. It's going to be a little windy on Thursday with south winds at 20, gusting to 35, maybe 40 miles per hour at times. So a wind advisory is probably going to be issued Thursday, but we'll wait and see on that one. And on Friday, it's going to be fair skies all day and night, low of 48, high of 56 with west winds at 10 to 20. Saturday looks like fair till noon, then mostly cloudy with low near 33, high of 46 with north winds at 10 to 20. And the last quarter moon's going to be complete Saturday. And it comes up at 12:17 a.m. and sets at 12:15 p.m. on Saturday. All right, Sunday, mostly cloudy skies till noon, and then becoming fair with low near 32 and a high of 47 with north winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Now I'll go ahead and skip on to New Year's Day. At this time, New Year's Day, January 1st, looks like it's going to be mostly cloudy till sunset or till nightfall, and then it's going to become fair. So cloudy during the day and clear at night, or at least fairly clear anyways. Low near 37 and a high of 48 on New Year's Day with north winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Well, alrighty, I'm going to call it at that tonight since I'm running a little late. But anyways, so enjoy the nice clear skies tonight again until around sunrise. And once more after that, it should become mostly cloudy but no rain until Thursday. And thunderstorms is possible, especially, well, throughout the daytime hours, I believe. Well, alrighty, that's it for tonight. Again, God bless you. Once again, ho ho ho! Merry Christmas. I hope you had a good one. Hope everybody got pretty much what they wanted, and wish you a real nice Wednesday, December 26th tomorrow. And hope to talk to you again soon. Otherwise, good night and God bless.